Hello. I would like to start by thanking the organizers of these sessions for giving me the opportunity to participate in this very emotive session dedicated to Alex Rubinov, giving me the opportunity once again to express my deep respect, admiration, and just to declare myself very proud for having been a friend of Alex. I met Alex by the first time, I think, as far as I remember, in the 34 school on optimization and optimal control organized in the Ettore Majorana school in Erice. It was 2001, and of course I knew the big, extensive, vast production, scientific production, and the prestige of Alex as mathematician, but I was even more impressed when I met him personally. He was so humble, so kind. Since the very beginning, I was very interested in establishing a professional link with him. And it was the case thanks to the fact that he was usual visitor of Juan Enrique Martínez Legaz in Barcelona, in University Autónoma of Barcelona, and in one occasion he was there in Barcelona and we invited him to come to our department in Alicante, also to visit our friends in Elche University. He delivered a couple of seminars and we shared a very nice, a wonderful time together. I remember we visited a beautiful botanic garden in Elche, Huerto del Cura, despite it was a very warm day. He came with Zari. After that, I proposed to him to make some joint research, and actually he accepted. I was positively surprised, impressed, and it was a wonderful experience because any time that I wrote a message to him in the night, in the day, he answered very fast, just pointing out interesting points in our mathematical discussions, or giving us advice, just fixing points in the work, and was really a great experience. And as a consequence of that, we produced together with our colleague, Professor Virginia Vera Eserio from Mendoza in Argentina, a couple of papers related to stability in semi-field programming, but involving generalized convex functions. These two papers were published in Numerical Functional Analysis and Optimization, and was great. I met Alex other times, for instance, in Europe conference in Rhodes, and especially I was very happy to participate in this 6 ICOTA in 2004 organized by him. It was a great event, more than 200 very interesting people, the leaders in our committee, all of them were there. And I met by the first time some people who became afterwards collaborators of mine, and I was my first contact with people of his group, because the main merit, aside his outstanding contributions to different fields in optimization, like generalized convexity, non-smooth analysis, monotonic analysis, applications to economy, he was a great leader in the sense that he attracted to many people and persuaded them to come to Ballarat and just form this group called SIAO. That from this moment, I was just a kind of follower of this group, was fan of this group, and I had since then a close contact. Even I participated in a couple of ARC projects led by Alex Kruger. I participated in ASEAN, Pacific, optimizations, workshops, and many other events. I visited several times, I think 6 times. So I was very happy, and now I'm a kind of, how do you say, very fond of Australia. I'm always wishing to visit again this country. And so it was, in this occasion, as I got a 6, was a good opportunity just to realize how kind was Rubinov and his wife Zari. They was perfect hosts and perfect introducers in his area. I met there also Regina, Adil Bagirov, and many other people, Yalcin, many people who after that we became close friends. And so I will finish by wishing to his family, Zari, and there are his students, former colleagues, just the best. I got a lot of friends there, thanks to Alex and to Zari. I'm thankful. It was a big and important heritage. Thank you very much. Enjoy the meeting, enjoy the workshop, and especially this session. Bye-bye.